is a tutorial on dividing with partial quotients. I want to remind you that when we're doing this, if you'll make sure to draw your line straight down the middle so that you can, or not down the middle, down the side, and that way it kind of divides up your work with how you're solving it, okay? So you draw your line down the side, and then you're going to say, can I say 6 times 100, which would equal 600? So I know I can't do that because 600 is larger than 200. So I'm going to start at 6 times 10, and of course you know to box in your 10, which is your partial quotient, and that equals 60. So let me take 60 out of that number, and 4 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, and 2 minus nothing is 2. So then you ask yourself, can you do this again? And we can take 60 out of 204. So I'm going to say 6 times 10 again, which equals 60, and I'm going to take out my 60. 4 minus 0 is 4, and you know you can't say 0 minus 6, but you can say 20 minus 6 is 14. Okay, and if you needed to go next door farther, you can do that. Can I take 60 out again? Of course I can. 6 times 10 equals 60. And so I take that 60 out. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 4 minus 6 is not possible, but 14 minus 6, of course, is 8. Can I pull 60 out again? Yes. 6 times 10 equals 60. So I subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. And you see now that you cannot take 60 out of 24. So I start counting by sixes. And I know that 6 times 4 equals 24. So I take my 24 out, and then I'm finished because I don't have any more to take from. So now you have to add your partial quotients, which are boxed in: 10, 20, 30, 40, 44. So your answer, or quotient, is 44. Now sometimes you'll have a remainder, so let me just do a quick one like that. I'm drawing my line down, and I'm going to say 3 times 10, boxed in, of course, equals 30. Take out my 30, and I get 52. I can do that again, of course. 3 times 10, boxed in, equals 30. Take out my 30, and I get 22. So I still cannot do another 30. So I'm going to count by threes, and I know I can go all the way up to 3 times 7 equals 21. If I take out my 21, I have 1 left over. And this remainder is smaller than my divisor, so I know I'm finished. I'm going to add my partial quotients: 10, 20, 27. So my answer is 27 with a remainder of 1.